Hi, my name's Sam Patterson. I'm with the City of Denton Drainage Department, and I'm a street sweeper. And this is our multi-hog. We sweep bicycle lanes with it. We have about 23 miles of bicycle lanes that we do sweep around town. They put bollards up to protect the bicyclists in their bicycle lanes, and we didn't have no way of keeping those clean. So we got this, and we sweep about once a month with it. We pick up leaves, debris, anything that's in the curb line. We pick up tennis shoes, we pick up clothes, we pick up beer cans. So everything that runs into the storm drain eventually runs into all the creeks and channels in Denton and runs straight to Lake Louisville. So everything that we pick up and keep out of there is stuff that's not clogging up inlets, causing floods and everything. So the way this works is these two brooms are spinning, and it kicks everything from your curb over to the center of the machine, kicks it up underneath the bottom, and it's a vacuum. So as it comes up through these tubes right here, and then everything that we pick up goes right inside that hopper. And then after that, when it fills up, we just take it to the yard and we dump it. This camera right here shows us a picture of our head where stuff's getting sucked up in there. And if something gets clogged, we're able to see that so we can get out there and unclog it. My favorite thing about driving the street sweepers is, sweeping, you can actually see what you did. And it just gives you that sense of pride. It's like, I finally, I did something good. Plus, we're keeping everything, out of the drains and inlets and making the town look good. I'm Sam Patterson, and this is my ride.